Report Vice President, Ms. Annalisa Escalo,
ng gobyerno na magpapatanggap ng mga awards sa araw nito.
Former Unbound Payroll
It is our honor to stand before. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon.
That's a meaningful occasion, a moment of upliftment.
Guys, ayan, may araw ng ating Gawad Kandili Award. So, dito sa Pandakaki Integrated School. At gawin po natin ito dito sa Barangay Hall ng Pandakaki. Video? Video nga to! Sa pagita po, sa pagita.
Oy, Ate Yet!
Pagita po, sa pagita.
Baka...
Whenever they compete outside the school. This year, we proudly launched Project Security, an initiative in small communities.
As coach of the third place winner in Chess Female Division Athletic Association Meet 2025, given this third day of October during our first Gawad Kandili and signed by our school principal one, Sir Demokito C. Cabile Jr.
This certificate is proudly presented to Christine C. Anyoso in recognition of her notable service rendered to PCRF with a numerical rating of 4.500.
Certificate of Recognition. This certificate is proudly presented to Memorial.
For our beloved stakeholders, Gawad Kandili with a team, a salute to teachers and stakeholders. And there it is, the doors of learning are once again open for our community. Palakpakan po natin ang muling nakubukas ng ating library hub.
Basta po marami? Okay, thank you so much. Hindi ko na banggit kanina yung isa-isa, pero lahat alam na natin from the heart. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you very much, Sir Jess, thank you for being part of this meaningful event.
May this celebration continue to guide us as we build a brighter